Hey, so if you don't like my videos, what's the point in commenting? Like, I've made 2 YouTube shorts about one of my favorite ships, and guess what? Everyone in the comments hated on it. I mean, .exe for one person, but whatever, and anyway, if you don't like the ship, just scroll. Like, how fucking retarded can you be to not be able to read the clear fucking disclaimer I put on both videos saying, this is a dark ship if you don't like IT scroll. Cough cough dot at R3D underscore RIBBONZ. But anyway, that's it. Bye, my little freaks.